everyone, this is Kasia. I'm feeling artsy and today we're gonna learn how to draw Winter, the dolphin without the tail. Drawing Winter is gonna be a lot like drawing just a plain dolphin, so if you've done the other video already, you already know how to do it. We're just gonna do a different tail. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna draw an oval, and it's gonna guide us where we will want her to be. So draw it lightly because most of it will get erased later. And draw your oval at an angle, so like this, not this way or this way. An oval is like an egg, I guess. Draw your oval lightly. And here's mine. Once you have your oval, we're gonna go ahead and draw her head. And so you will start in the middle of your oval, and now you can make it darker. But instead of turning down here, you'll keep going. So I'm gonna keep going here. So you go outside of your oval. And this is just this top of her head. Once you have this piece, you'll draw this little piece here, which is pretty much just one line this way and one line up. And then we're gonna draw her nose. Well, not a nose because dolphins don't have noses, but her nostrum. And this is like a sideways U. Okay. And you can give her a big smile. And then you're gonna draw the bottom part of her mouth right here. Once you've drawn her head, we're gonna go ahead and go down and draw her belly. And the belly just goes down where your oval is. And once you get to the bottom of your oval right here, you turn down towards the tail. Then you will come back to the top of her back, go where your oval is, and go down. And you turn her tail like this. And if you feel like you need to correct yourself, do it like I'm doing it, and then erase the lines that you no longer need. Once we have her main shape, we'll add her flippers. You will draw a line from her mouth along her side to the bottom. And then somewhere in the middle of your oval, somewhere in the middle of her belly, you're gonna go down and draw one of her flippers like this. On top of the flipper, you'll do like this piece of a triangle. And then you can come back in and erase all of the lines inside the flipper, because now they're behind the flipper so you don't see them. And then you draw the flipper that's on the other side. So it's behind her. Then we're gonna draw her fin. So you'll go from this flipper up, find a spot here, and then you draw her fin, just so. Once you have her fin, we're gonna draw in her eye, and it's an oval. And inside the oval, I'm gonna do two light speckles. And then I'm gonna go down and draw her artificial tail. If you haven't seen the movie about Winter, it's amazing, so I think you should. It's called The Dolphin Tail. Now she also has a black one, but I'm drawing the white one. So anyway, I'm sorry. On her tail, you'll draw a line across, and then two lines on the side, and again another one. And this one has a gap in the middle. So you go like this, down, down, and in. from here, you'll go down to her tail, and these lines extend. Oops, my pencil broke. Extend down to where they put her flipper. And this is like an oval, well, half an oval or upside down wide U. So you'll just draw it in right here. Okay. And her tail is kind of sharp from the sides coming in. So you'll go from both sides in, and then it's more wavy like this. Once you have drawn your winter, you can erase all of the lines of the oval that you no longer need. And then we're going to go ahead and color her. I'm going to use markers. I'm going to use just 3. One is a Sharpie, a black Sharpie that I will use to outline everything. And then I'm going to use 2 colors. One is this bluish gray color and a light gray just for her tail. Okay, so once I've colored in my dolphin, my winter, I'm gonna add a couple things here that I forgot about before. It's these little lines, and those are her eyelids. So one on top, one on the bottom. A little circle or oval right here for her blowhole. And I'm also gonna add these lines that make her look like she's jumping up. So 1, 2, 1, 2. And the last one above her fin, 1, 2. There you have it. My winter's done. I hope you liked this video. Please make sure to give me a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe to my channel so that you can see my next one. I'll see you soon.